Hey, Clay. You eating some baby lunch? What do you got today? No, don't feed the dog. This way. Show me what you got. Some spinach, cantaloupe, and cheese. It's delicious? Mmm. It's so good, Mom. Thank you. Eat this piece of cheese. Oh. Cheese. Nope. And here it comes. Out of your mouth. Nope. Almost. Goodbye, everybody. Wanted to say hello. Do something funny? No?